Hello and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ Crew Cab 4x4 in North Sky Blue. Some of the features included in your brand new Silverado 2500 HD are automatic windows, power adjustable, power folding, and power expanding side mirrors with blind zone alert, towing, 4x4, automatic headlights with fog lights and cargo box lighting, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth ready, remote start, push button ignition, AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio, OnStar, navigation, backup camera, dual zone climate control, AC, park assist, lane keep assist, heated front seats, rubberized floor mats, front and rear leather bench seats, box liner, fifth wheel hookup, and enough space to comfortably seat 6 with room for storage. So don't miss out on your brand new Silverado 2500 HD. Hurry into Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our knowledgeable product specialists today.